Hello everyone, this is Tina. Again, this is gonna be a very short video. Order by, okay? Because sometimes we want to sort the result by a particular column, okay? And since we are using JPA, so we want to sort the result returned by Hibernate. Ordered by particular fields. How to do that? Exactly like using the SQL. So very short video. I already have the project, everything set up, not everything, 99% set up already. Have an order by, and here have a create query. By default, it's gonna using the primary key, most likely, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Now I don't want to order by the 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want to order by our last name. Let me comment those. Okay, these are used for demo purpose for the pagination. So I want to comment all of them. So we only have 3. So if we directly return result, it's gonna be Doe, John, James, and Elias. And I want to order by the last name, so it will give me result Brown, Doe, and Long. Okay, so let's take a look at how to do the order by. Give Elias P any name. Okay, and order by P dot. Where's this one? Last name. And also you can specify ascending or descending. By default is ascending. So let's run and see the person list returned. Okay, I think you have some idea about SQL. I think this one is not difficult for you. Okay, so now let's take a look at person. I have ID now is 2. It's not a 1. By default, it should be 1, 2, 3. Because we sort by using the last name, and this is gonna be the alphabetical order, right? Brown, and we'll have a second one, which is the Doe. DOE is a Doe or what? Last one is a Long, and we can also using the descending order. Okay. I shouldn't open. Oh my god. This one is Elias Long. My friend is chatting with me now. Long and Doe, and then Brown. Okay, because we are using a descending order now. Okay, so that's it for the order by. Thank you for watching, and sorry for this chatting too. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.